right, we have this other concept that we call size validation. So I think that, we're here at a 3D conference. We're all looking to or have integrated 3D tools. We design around 3D bodies. And generally what we're going to do is design around a core size, and we're going to stretch out our grade rules, right? And we're going to start to have this linear construct sort of go throughout the realm. And so we're going to assume that that averaged body that sits right in the middle of the grade construct is just sort of going to grow in proportionality. The reality is bodies don't grow like that, right? The reality is that most of the grade rules that we have are growing at consistent intervals, which is just wrong. But furthermore, if we want to look at a singular size, and we want to validate that that size fits all the different body shapes that fall within that size table, we need to be able to understand all the body shapes that fit within that size table. And so now when you're designing clothing using the 3D tools that are out there, they have batch processing modes, which is really cool. And so you can integrate all of these different 3D scans, which represent all of the different types of body that fit within a specific size, and validate that that design actually works on all of those variations of bodies. Really, really powerful. And the reason why you can do that is because of this massive data set that sits underneath everything, right? So really, really valuable. And then last but not least, obviously these 3D scans can be downloaded, right? We've all sort of seen this. You can integrate them into your favorite 3D CAD modeling solution, and then you can start to use this as your core library set by which all of your sizes are designed for everything else down the road. Super, super powerful, right? So with this, what we generally see with the customers that we work with is a 2 to 4 times increase in fit coverage, right? I mean, just think about that number. When you're selling clothing, if you're designing it to fit 2 to 3 times more people than you used to, just based on using better data to understand exactly how you're designing your clothing, that is a game changer in a business, right? Massive, massive increases in opportunity.